subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has silently launched the 4G version of the Galaxy A22 in India, and it is slightly different from the 5G version. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A22 4G supports a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that houses a 13-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A22 4G comes powered by unnamed octa-core 2GHz processor paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.3 by 73.6 by 8.4mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A22 4G has been priced in India at 18,499 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and mint color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A22 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.